be seated. Alright, Kalipayan, good evening once again. Are you ready to witness some incredible talent? Parinig naman ng excitement dyan, isang masigabong palapakan po. Okay, I think our audience are now excited to witness incredible talent coming from our contestants from different part of Region 8. Tonight, we celebrate the vibrant spirit of the Kalipayan. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and thoroughly entertained as our talented contestant take the stage with the adversities that we experienced in the past few days. Aton mga nakikita sa social media, tragedy, political issues, or some political issues, I think nato ng mga hunahuna yan ang mag-book-up na good, mag-book-on nato mga kasing-kasing tungkol ato ng mga nakikita or nasasaksihan ng mga trahedya or political issues, mga problema. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, ito nga atong magbubunyadughan, magbugat na panunahuna, tatanggalon ito naton. Because of this, Kalipayan Got the Talent 2025 Season 5! And I know for sure, ladies and gents, na yan na gabi, mag-e-enjoy ka mo, magre-resyo kita, tungod kay yung mga kita, mga contestants, inyong mga magkarit, nga tikang paha magkagordilain nga parte, hanato na Region 8, which is Eastern Visayas. So before we start, before we proceed, before we start, ladies and gentlemen, I will give the microphone to the SK Chairperson of Kalipayan, Honorable Aliana Beatriz Tufo, for her message. Ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give Honorable Aliana a big hand, please?
Boss, may sticker.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Good evening, everyone, especially to
Gilo
our
photography.
officials who
Gilo
are
photography.
Yung malagtas.
On behalf of the Sangguniang Kabataan of
Okay, thank you.
Kalipayan, I would like to warmly welcome you all to Kalipayan Got Talent 2025 Season 5. Ani kita yan na nagkakatitiro para i-celebrate ang passion, creativity nga nan mag-upay nga talentohan aton mga napili nga contestants from different places. Ini na Kalipayan Got Talent is nagpapahinumdum ha aton nga mga talentadong it mga Pinoy ngan at mga waraynon. Through this Kalipayan Got Talent, we aim to empower our youth, showcase local artistry. To our contestants, give it your best shot and enjoy every moment under the spotlight. To our audience, let's cheer loudly and show our full support to every performance tonight. Once again, thank you for being here and making this event possible. Once again, good evening.
And that was the Honorable Aliana Beatriz Tufo, the ever-active ay napakagandang SK Chairman, SK Chairperson ng Barangay Kalipayan. Once again, bigyan po natin ng masigabong kalampakan ang ating SK Chairman. Wala po si SK Chairman siguro, hindi po mangyayari itong gabi ngayon. Hindi po magkakanap itong Kalipayan Got the Talent 2025 Season 5. And before we begin with the competition proper, ladies and gentlemen, allow me first to introduce our panel of judges who selected the best among our contestants and declared as the winner of tonight's competition, which is the Kalipayan Got Talent 2025. Mga kaibigan, isa pong karangalan na may pakilala ang ating mga board of adjudicator na nandito ngayon. Let us start with our judge number 1. And may I request our board of educator na pag na-mention ko po yung pangalan po ninyo, kayo po ay inanyayahan na magpungo dito sa harapan to receive your A, your token of appreciation and certificate of appreciation. So, I think I am ready now. Let us start with our first judge. Our first judge is a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics graduate at Lady Normal University, a licensed professional teacher, the SK chairperson of Barangay Kamunuan, and at the same time, the SK Federation President of Dikami. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honor to introduce our judge number 1, Honorable Jameson C. Madalina. And may I invite Honorable Yunilin Tunggol, Honorable Beatrice, to please. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 1 is the Honorable Jameson C. Madalina. Our next judge is a former PEC Isos Nazareno Youth Representative of Barangay Santa Cruz, Mayorga, Leyte. A former SSG officer of Mayorga National High School from 2018 to 2020-21. Graduated valedictorian at Mayorga National High School year 2021. Extemporaneous Grand Champion at Eastern Visayas State University, Burawin Campus, English Math during the English Month celebration, school level. Feature writer and the literary head editor at Ansulog, the official publication of Western Visayas State University, Burawin Campus. Presenter and delegate during the second National Language and Literature Undergraduate Research Conference held at Lady Normal University. An event's host, Miss Mayorga 2025 organizer, graduated at Western Visayas State University, Burawin Campus with a degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Currently, the SK chairperson of Barangay Santa Cruz, Mayorga, and the SK Federation Vice President of the Municipality of Mayorga. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big hand to our judge number 2, Honorable Crisnel M. Beto. Thank you so much, Honorable Beto. Our third judge, and at the same time, the chairman of the Board of Judges, a grand champion of Indigay Catalinto Kids Edition 2019 at Quezano Central, Tacloban. A TV host at the Best TV and ATC Channel 20, Channel 31, Golden Star Awardee at ATC International, the Babster Queen host at the Niñas Pinas Friday Group, recording artist at Asian Television Content, Golden Star Awardee 2021, Asian Music Festival performer, a vocalist of a Giron Band, international artist at the Sessions Live, RTRMF Battle of the Bands 2024 third runner-up, Deborah Battle of the Bands 2024 Grand Champion, Everett Vocal Duet 2025 Grand Champion. 44th Cebu Popular Music Festival 2025 Qualifier. Grand Champion of Tinig ng Lahi 2023. Grand Finalist of Campus Idol. The Search for the Next Singing Star 2024 at the Robinson's North Tacloban. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, our chairman of the Board of Judges, Ma'am Elethea Rimley Reyes Tunggol. Ma'am Elethea is the daughter of Honorable Unilina Tunggol. Singanda po silang dalawa. Thank you so much, Ma'am Elethea. And that was our Board of Judges. Karami po yung credentials ng ating mga Board of Adjudicator. Kanina habang binabasa ko yung mga credentials po nila, parang gusto ko na pong umuwi. Lalo-lalo na po si Sir Beto, si Honorable Beto, English Major. Salitin natin kang Honorable Beto, tungkol ito ngayon mo kay English Major. Di rin ako mag-English today. May nagmawaray, may si Timotali din natakon mga sayo. And especially Sir Jameson. Valedictorian kami nung nag-graduate sa Patoka National High School, Senior High School. And at this juncture po, pagka mga kasangkayan, magkakaroon po tayo ng pagkakataon na masaksihan ang talent na isa sa ating mga Board of Judges. Ma'am Elethea Rimley Reyes Tunggol, a TV personality and a performer. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, bigyan po natin masigabong palagpakan ang napakaganda nating Chairman of the Board of Judges, Ma'am Elethea Rimley Reyes Tunggol. Patagtag ng ikaw pa, Mr. DJ. Patagtag po ng ikaw, kulang pa. Ako po may yes.
Sound check 1, 2, 3. Pagsubo ng overall sound, isa. 1, 2, 3. Covers
'Sino
Ever player, really. Trihis sa tungkol. Grabe. Dati po si Ma'am Rhea is one of the contestants here at Kalipayan Young Talent na naman sa season 1. Yung biyaya pa rin niya ng mga basta naging kadakuan na niya Kalipayan Young Talent. Imagine 5 years na yung Kalipayan Young Talent. Once again, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palagpakan. Yan si Ma'am Rhea Rimley. Our contestants are now ready. Our judges are also ready. What about it? Hanato ng mga bakirita. Andaman na baka mo!
Yes!
Kung andam na, isang masigabong palagpakan may kasamang hiyawan po. Gusto ko po yung pinakamalakas. Gusto ko yung pinakamalakas. Okay. Andam na. Wala na sa audience ang mga katanggayan. Maraming salamat po. So sit back, relax, and enjoy for our Kalipayan Got Talent at 2025 will commence now. And before we start, may I request na natin mga contestant to please coordinate with mga sound system operator for hanaw para hanaw music ay huwag iyo gagamiton. And also, gusto ko pasabutan na may nagkatanian performer nga magamit din kanayo na nato mga kabataan na please. Kung sumaringanin niyan nga baga medyo atras kinano para dili kita maganghatag magaw sa akin. Baga kung ay problema, dili niya nang agad rapid. Once again, awang tulong ko po magsakay na mga contestants sa ginahang yung pag-stay nga di hapon, holding area which is at the barangay hall, upos si Tato Barangay Hall, ginahang yung mga contestants ginapagkil kita ano. I think we need to start the competition. Let us start with our first performer, ladies and gentlemen. May I request to come forward, Ricky, the Mentalist.
Remote ka mo.
Okay, magandang gabi po sila. And magandang gabi Barangay Kalipayan. Tama ba, ma'am? By the way guys, my name is Ricky, also known as Ricky the Mentalist. Bakit po Mentalist? Dahil ang ginagawa ko ng Tiger App, it's all about mentalism. Alam mo ba yung mentalism? Ang mentalism po, yan po yung mga bagay na hindi pa po nangyayari, pero sa isang tangay or sa isang katulad ko, ay posible nangyari. By the way guys, on the front sa Totomas City, the province of Batangas. But for now guys, I live in Poblacion 1, Mayorga, Leyte. Okay, let's start. Kaya naging tayo with Ram. And sir, pwede mo isang mic. Ano ang pangalan? Pangalan pangalan niyo po? Sabihin niyo po ang ano po ang pangalan?
Hi, Candy.
Magandang gabi po. Ano po ang pangalan mo?
I am Elfia Remedy Tungkol.
Ma'am Althea.
Elfia po, opo.
Ma'am Althea, for years nag-ready lamang ako ng isang special card. Guys, alam niyo kung bakit siya special? Dahil ako lang nagsulat nito, medyo pangit lang talaga yung information ko. Okay, ma'am, meron po ko nito mga gamit sa bahay. Okay, so we have air condition, CCTV tray, TV, mirror rack, speaker, wall clock, gas tube, trophy, charger. Mapakita ko lang marami kasi. Okay ma'am, so we have 45 cards to be precise. Ma'am, ang gagawin ko lang, ma'am, i-re-review ko siya sa harap ko ng ganito and say stop anytime you want on the mic ma'am. So, thank you so much ma'am. Say stop anytime, ulit na ako.
Stop.
Okay. Ma'am, kung ano isang card, huwag note mo sa aking papakita yung card. Itago mo lang siya. Okay, sorry. Sir, magandang gabi po. Sir, isip ka ng lugar na gusto mong puntahan, sir. Ngayong bakasyon. Dito sa Pilipinas. Sa isip mo lang, sir. Sir, magandang gabi. Isip ka ng paborito mong artista, mapalalaki or babae. Artista dito sa Pilipinas. Sa isip mo, sir. Yes. Okay, sir, meron na? Judges, meron pa kayo itong kapirasong papel at yung sobre. Sir, yung artistang nasa isip mo, sir, pakisunod mo dyan sa maliit na papel and pakitiklop ng 2 beses yung papel and palagay po sa loob ng sobre. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, yung sir, yung lugar. Yung lugar na nasa isip mo, sir, pakisunod mo dyan sa maliit na papel and pakitiklop ng 2 beses and palagay po sa loob ng sobre. Thank you so much, sir. Ma'am, magandang po. Ma'am, kung ano pinakasulat sa card na yan, ma'am, pakisunod po sa maliit na papel. Ma'am, pakitiklop po ng 2 beses yung papel and palagay po sa loob ng sobre. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay na po? Okay, our judge number 1, our judge number 2, our judge number guys, I need one volunteer from the audience. Can you back? Sino pwede? Hindi na ba ng pambaho sa Lunes? Okay. Come on, let's go, bro. Napakatapang na rin. Mamaya, sobrang mas, lagyan natin yung marking. Okay, lagyan natin yung judge number 1. Sir says judge number 2. Sir is judge number 3. Kaya hawakan mo lang. Pakikita mo sa practice mo. Yan. Okay, siguro. Judges, audience. Wala akong ibang gagawin, kundi iisipin ko lang or huhulaan ko lang, sir, kung ano naman yung isinulat nyo dun sa maliit na papel at inilagay nyo sa loob ng song. Okay, let's start. Agad tayo. Ma'am, sasagot ka lang yes or no sa akin na tanong. Okay. May yung isinulat mo ba kanina? At pilitan ka pa nito sa Pasko or sa birthday mo is okay sa'yo?
Yes.
Ma'am, I think meron ka nito.
Yes.
Ma'am, pagkaraniwan mo siyang nakikita sa bahay. Judges, audience na isulat ko na, hindi na pwede ba? Kuya, pakiawa, huwag mo ipapakita. Our judge, number 1. Sana tama. Ma'am Fair, pwede pakisabi pakilakas kung ano yung bagay na pagpinigyan ka nito sa Pasko or sa birthday mo ay okay sa'yo?
Kaya?
Yes.
Shoes.
Ladies and gentlemen, is shoes! Sir, kung kay ma'am is yes or no. Sir, lahat ng tanong ko, mali man or hindi. Sasagot ka lang ng puro yes, 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 yes. Okay, sir, thank you so much. Sino yung lugar na isunod mo kanina? Ay, napakalayo nito. Yes. Sir, I think yung lugar na isinulat mo is international. Yes. Sir, I think napuntahan mo na. Napuntahan mo na. Yes. Judges, audience na isulat ko na. Hindi na pwede ba? Kuya, pakiawa? Sana tama. Okay. Sir, pwede mo ang pakisabi pakilakas kung ano yung lugar na gusto mong puntahan sa ngayong bakasyon? Yes. Spain. Ladies and gentlemen, is Spain! So lagi natin po tingin test. Sir, hindi ka magsasalita. Wala kang ibang gagawin, sir. Titing ka lang sa mata ko ng delta. Yes! Lalaki, babae, lalaki, babae. Judges, audience, kung mapapansin nyo, pag sinabi kong lalaki, babae, sure na sure ako, artistang lalaki sa GMA 7. Naisulat ko na, sir. Hindi na pwede naman. Sir, pero pakisabi ka lakas. Kung artistang lalaki na isimulat mo.
sinulat ko?
Yes.
It's Sarah Geronimo.
Sir, sigurado.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Ano ba kita? Sir, pwede pa kayo sa akin pag-iwi. Kung sino yung artista na nasa isip mo ngayon?
Sarah Geronimo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sarah Geronimo! Okay, sir, meron ako itong book or libro. Guys, itong libro hawak ngayon wala pong special dito. Alam niyo kung bakit tayo magbibili ito sa Exam National Bookstore dito sa Pilipinas. Sir, hawakan mo yung mic. And sir, i-read mo kasi ng random and speak stop and let go. Stop. Okay. So, hindi ko siya basta pinasok. Ikaw pa yung stop. Sir, ang gagawin mo lang, stop, tandaan mo yung page number at saka yung first word. Sir, huwag daw kitong kakalimutan. Tandaan mo, sir, yung page number at saka yung first word. Okay po? Sir, pakuha mo na yung tatlo. Sir, yung first word na nakita mo is, I think it's Tagalog words.
Yes.
Sir, hindi minsan masabay mo inangyari itong words na to.
Yes.
And sure ako sir na pamilyar ka sa words na to. Tapos yung dulo na kanyang letters na ng letter. I think letter T. Sir, naisulat ko na. Hindi na pwede yung bago. Sir, sa dinami-dami ng pages sa libro na yan, sa dinami-dami ng words na meron dyan, ano yung first word na nasa isip mo ngayon, sir? Sabihin mo, sir, on the mic. Word? Yes. Yung nakita mo kanina. Nakula. Ladies and gentlemen, is nakula. Sir, papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part ng actor ko. Dahil ngayon gabi, sir, is mag-i-imagine tayo. Sir, ganito gagawin ko. Sir, ito yung gagawin ko. Yung libro na meron yun, sir, ilalagay ko sa kamay ko. Sir, bubuksan ko yung cover ng libro. Sir, sige mo, sir. Ano yung page number na nakikita mo?
Ang nagpapakita, hamon ka.
86?
Wow.
Sure, sir?
Ano ito dito nilot nga daan?
It's not 86.
Dati sasagutan mo.
Ang nakita ko number 48. Page 98. Tapos sa ilalim, sir, nandun yung first word na nagula. Second, please check the book. Page 98. Sir?
Pagkataraan nagulat.
Nawala?
Yes, wala.
Nawala?
Nawala na kayo nagulat.
Sir? Tingnan mo. Okay lang, sir. Tingnan mo. Merong isang pahina pumasok, sir. And sir, sabihin mo, pakilakas on the mic, ano yung first word na nakita